Welcome back to Autoscope. Motorhome BYD 2026. External and design. The 2026 BYD Motorhome will most likely sport a modern, aerodynamic design to maximize energy efficiency. Sharp lines, full LED lighting, and a front grille that reflects BYD's current design language will be some of its distinguishing features. To increase range and save weight, body materials will likely use sturdy yet lightweight metals. Solar panels are integrated into the roof for further energy independence and charging. A retractable electric awning for outdoor shade. Lots of outside storage space for camping gear, bicycles, and other items. External power connection and clean water inlet. It may also include a pop top or slide out that can expand the interior space when parked. Interior, sleeping area, available in a range of configurations, such as beds that are permanent or beds that may be made into sofas or dining tables. Induction hobs for energy efficiency, a small refrigerator, a sink, and a space to keep cooking utensils are all featured in the kitchenette. The lounging area consists of tables that slide or fold up and cozy chairs that can be used as extra beds. Storage. There are several cupboards, drawers, and hidden storage spaces to keep things neat. Ventilation and windows. Large windows offer expansive views and adequate ventilation for optimal air movement. Performance. In addition to its focus on comfort and sustainability, the BYD 2026 Motorhome will offer exceptional performance. Strong, smooth acceleration suitable for a range of terrains will be ensured by the electric motor's power. The comfortable suspension will absorb shocks during the journey. Fast charging. It offers fast DC charging to reduce wait times at charging stations. V2L vehicle to load and V2H vehicle to home. The RV can power the house or external equipment, making it a helpful backup power source. Driver assistance systems, or ADAS, include safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera.